In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps of creating your very own Apple account, or Apple ID. An Apple ID account is essential for accessing all Apple services, from the App Store and iCloud to iMessage and FaceTime. You can do this directly from your iPhone, and the first step is to open Safari and then navigate to a website called appleid.apple.com. I'm going to make sure to leave this website link in the video description down below so you can open the correct link. Once you're here, the site is going to look something like this. If you're logged into your current Apple account or Apple ID account, then you'll have to make sure to log out of that account first. I'm logged out already, and let's start creating our Apple account. We will click on this little arrow at the top in order to expand the settings, and then select this option called Create Your Apple Account. This is going to redirect us to another page where we can start creating our new Apple account. You will have to enter your basic information like your first and last name. So I'm going to enter Marshall Johnson in here. After that, enter your country of residence. My country is the United States, and please tell me in the comments down below in which country you live in. I would really like to know. After that, enter your birthday information, like the day, month, and year in which you were born. Once we enter the basic information for our Apple account, the next thing which we need is an email address. So you can enter your Gmail, your Yahoo, or whichever email address you use. I'm going to enter in my Gmail address, and make sure that you enter it correctly because Apple is going to send a verification code to this email address, which we enter in order to verify that this is our email address. After entering the email address, select a password which you will use for this Apple account and enter the password 2 times. This password has to contain big and small letters, at least 8 characters, at least 1 number, and so on. So follow the instructions for the password and enter it 2 times. Also, make sure to write that password somewhere in case you forget it. The Apple account password is really important, so keep it written down on a piece of paper and keep it in a safe place. After entering your email address and creating the password for your account, scroll a bit down and then we will have to enter our mobile phone number which will be connected to our Apple account. So first, select the country in which you live, and then enter the phone number which you will use for receiving verification codes via text messages or phone calls. Just like the email address, make sure that you enter the correct phone number, and we can then continue to the next step. Scroll down once again, and then you can uncheck these 2 boxes which are related to Apple, sending you emails about announcements, apps, music, TV, and more. If you don't want them to send you any kind of mail, simply uncheck these 2, and then enter this verification code in order for them to confirm that you're human. And the last step in this process of creating our Apple account is to simply verify your email address and your phone number. Apple will send you a verification code to the email address which you had entered, and it will send you a code via a text message, so just enter the 2 codes in order for them to confirm your email and phone, and your Apple account will then be created. We can now exit this and then open the settings of our Apple device. In this case, it's my iPhone 16, and then I'll tap on my Apple ID name at the very top. If you don't want to use this specific Apple ID account anymore, and you want to log in with your new Apple account, just scroll down to the bottom of this page and you'll see a sign out option. Tap here, and then you will be logged out of your current Apple account, which is just what we need. The last step is to enter the email address and your password for the new account which we had just created, and then you'll be logged in with a new Apple account, or Apple ID. If this video helped you out and you would like more of these tutorials, then make sure to subscribe to App Tutor. It would really help me out. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you soon.